What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another review for you guys. Supreme and Nike, they have given us a lot of different collaborations over the years, but perhaps the one collaboration that has proven to be the most popular has got to be those Air Force Ones that dropped last year, both in the white and the all over black colorway. It's a Supreme sneaker that you can rock pretty much every day, and now we have received the third colorway in this collab, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. I will be reviewing the Air Force One Supreme in the wheat colorway. So what's good, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh and I do sneaker reviews and all kinds of other sneaker content. If that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here at JDKick6. I'm dropping at least 3 videos a week, so make sure you guys are subscribed. So in this video, I will be breaking down this sneaker. We'll get into the different features of this shoe, the quality. Later on, we'll cover sizing as well as resale. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here it is, the Air Force One Supreme in the wheat colorway, or is this a flax colorway? Not sure what you want to call it. I think they're officially called the wheat colorway. The sneaker released last week on the Supreme website, and it had a higher than normal retail price of $150, which I believe is about $40 more than this pair retailed for and the black pair. We'll get into why that is the case later on in the video. One thing that I will say is that these white and black pairs, they have restocked about 100 different times now. I've lost count. You can see that is reflected in the resale prices as well of these sneakers. These used to resell for about $300 and they have dropped quite a bit. However, based on rumors, I cannot confirm this, but based on rumors, this wheat pair won't be restocking. One release and one release only. That was last week. We'll see if that ends up being true, but for now, just know that these sneakers won't actually be restocking again. And getting into these sneakers, I can't think of a more perfect fall colorway on an Air Force One than this wheat pair right here. The regular version of this shoe seems to be probably the third most popular Air Force One colorway, of course, besides the white and the black. Everyone has a pair of those. These wheat pairs seem to restock every year, every time they sell out. It's just a perfect fall time colorway. You can rock this with a lot of different fits. And of course, the only major difference here between this pair and just a regular Air Force One is that embossed Supreme logo you see on the heel. About as low-key of a collab as you can get. This logo is actually embossed into the shoe. It's not just a little Supreme sticker. So if you bought a pair online and you just got a Supreme sticker back here, yeah, you probably didn't get an authentic pair. Getting into the quality of the shoe, so the upper this time is made entirely out of nubuck. I wouldn't say it's the most premium feeling nubuck. However, it does feel pretty good and it definitely feels more premium of a shoe than either the white or the black pairs. And I'm pretty sure that is primarily why the sneaker does cost more than the other two. And another major difference between this pair and the white and black pairs are the laces that it comes with. It comes with these wheat rope style laces, so you don't get those flat laces like you do with the other pairs. This time you get these rope laces, which I think look even better. And of course you also get these pretty nice Supreme laces, flat style laces, this time also done in that wheat colorway. I personally like when the laces match the rest of the shoe. With the white pairs, it did come with a red pair of laces, which for me was just a bit too loud. These laces, however, look really nice on the shoe. Let me know down in the comments, do you prefer the Supreme laces or are you gonna leave those round laces on your pair? I'm surprised how many times I got asked this question when I did my review of the white pair, but a lot of you guys asked me, hey, if I was to buy this pair on a third-party site, let's say StockX, GOAT, one of those sites, will you also be receiving this pair of laces with the shoe? Yes, you definitely will. These laces come with every single pair. If your pair is missing these laces, then you probably want to complain to one of those companies because it should definitely come with the laces. And by the way, I did leave a StockX affiliate link in the description to make it easy for you guys to go ahead and cop. Now, when it comes to sizing, if you happen to be one of the few people who have never worn an Air Force One before, then just know they do fit big, so go a half size down than you do most other shoes. I wear a size 11 in pretty much all my sneakers, Jordan 1s, Air Max 1s, but in Air Force Ones, I'm a 10.5. I go a half down. Otherwise, these are just way too big. So that is my recommendation. Go a half size down than your true size. Let's have a look at prices right now. So prices on these, surprisingly not as high as I expected. Some sizes are close to $300, but most sizes are hovering in that $200 to $250 range. If the rumors are true and these don't in fact restock, then yeah, you can probably expect these prices to go up over time. So if you do really want this pair, I would suggest copping it right now while the prices are at this level. Let's wrap this thing up. So overall, the Nike Supreme Air Force One in the wheat colorway, are these a cop or a drop? Yes, of course, I can't deny the fact that these are a bit plain looking. I probably wouldn't pay a super high resale price for these, but after all, it is a Supreme collab. It's probably a sneaker that you can get a lot of use out of. The sneaker is pretty much the definition of a subtle flex. It's not like in your face, it doesn't look too hype beastie. You have the option, of course, if you want to keep it low key, you can just keep these laces on, but of course you can go ahead and throw on those Supreme laces as well if you want to, you know, show off a little more. Quality is decent as well, so yeah, I do think these are pretty good. These are a cop. What do you guys think of this pair? How does this colorway compare for you guys with the other two pairs? Are these a must cop in your fall rotation? Let me know down in the comments. Also, one more thing, my Berlin gang, if you guys didn't already hear, Supreme is actually opening a store right here in Berlin. So make sure you guys go check that out. The on feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for messing with the channel and for watching this video. Don't forget, subscribe to me on YouTube if you found this video useful. And of course, follow me on Instagram at JDKick6. You know where to find me. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.